Today we are having a look at the AORUS Gen 4 SSD. This is a 1TB SSD and it's an NVMe. At the back it shows the read speeds of up to 5,000 and write speeds of up to 4,000 megabytes per second. So the speed of this drive is very good. So let's just see what you get in the box. Get that off, and yeah, it's a nicely packaged little NVMe. Oh, this is actually very nicely packaged. It's inside this foam kind of a buffer. What else is in the box is just a little paper. I guess you don't need anything else. Then the NVMe. This is just a good looking NVMe, and yeah, there you can see it says AORUS Gen 4 SSD. Let's get that open. Wow. This is the 1TB Gen 4 SSD from AORUS. Very nice looking drive. As you can see, it's NVMe, and the chips is actually on both sides of this disk or this drive or board, and oh, that's about it from showing you what you get in the box, and hopefully you can decide if you want this or not by just looking at it. Obviously speed tests and all of that stuff is a different story, but sometimes it's all about the looks also. So there you go, that's what you get in the box if you buy this AORUS Gen 4 SSD. Thanks for watching.